Go.
Whoa, it's James. Well, you already know. It's going down. Fighting Classic weekend. That's Saturday. Look how we're going to do it like it's never been done before. Look, we got 3 sides, 2 DJs. One side, we got the Grown and Sexy with all the champagne you can drink. It's just going to keep on flowing. The next side, we got unlimited alcohol. You got the brown, you got the white, so you can get hyped tonight. You got the other side, you got the photo thing, you know, get your glamour girl on, and glamour, you know, take a picture, you bring your own camera, you got the backdrops for you, you know, set up and everything, you know. That's that Saturday. That Sunday we got we're gonna have a Madden tournament, pool tournament, and we're gonna have a chess tournament just to give you something to do. Start from 3:30 in the daytime. We're gonna have food and drinks there also, you know. Basically, yeah, you know, if you're anywhere in the city or if you're anywhere in the world and you're not in here, I mean, sucks to be you. Deuces.